Welcome back to another video, everyone. May the 4th be with you. It is a good day, maybe a bit cloudy and rain on the way, but otherwise the temperature is perfect for a ride home. Today I wanted to kind of talk about lane splitting. I feel like that'd be a good one. I've seen a lot of videos on YouTube of it already, but I figured one more couldn't hurt. I am personally in favor of lane splitting, as you can see. And without it, I don't know if I would have the job that I have right now, just because of how bad the commute would be otherwise. But that aside, I kind of wanted to talk about how to safely lane split, and what to look for and what I look for in order to get where I'm going in one piece. First and foremost, you do not want to split excessively fast. You only want to split as fast as you can react to the potential hazards ahead. The other big thing you want to look out for, like this car that I just passed, is open lane pattern, or like this blue Toyota that wanted to merge over. Cars also, just like you, want to get to where they're going, and if they can do so faster, they're going to take that option. So ironically, and counterintuitively too, the safest time to pass is when two cars are side by side and there's enough room for you to get in between them, because those cars visually and physically are preventing one another from wanting to move into each other's space, which gives you the opportunity to go in between them. Another open lane space, not worried about the big rigs shooting over. The other thing that you can look for is look in people's mirrors and see which way they're looking. You can also look at their tires and see if they're pointed away from you, towards you, and then just looking at the general consistencies in the portion of the lane that the vehicle that you're about to pass is holding. Are they holding steady on the left? Are they holding steady in the middle or the right? Or are they kind of bouncing around, which might indicate they're on their phone and or distracted? Which, in that case, you really want to make sure if you go to pass them that you've got a second escape route so that you don't become a road cran. Always want to throw the appreciation to the cars that move over. Want to keep that good mojo going. The other big thing that I do too is I'm always covering my brake. Reduces the reaction time if I need to stop or begin to stop. That's really all I've got for that. Short, sweet, to the point. Ride safe, and I'll see you in the next one.